Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super fine. So I guess you saw my new intro, and how do you like it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Just do tell me in the comment section. So yeah, I know I've been on a break, or I've not been uploading videos on YouTube consistently, but yeah, I hope and I try to make more videos on design part. So I hope I'll be regular. So yeah, let's get started. For today, I'll just make a small animation tutorial. Maybe just the what do you say, the basic flow of animation. So I'll just delete this artboard. I'll delete the artboard and just make one small square artboard, just in case. So yeah, for example, I'll just take one icon for maybe search. SEARCH. Okay, so I'll just go and maybe take the take this. Yeah, so I'll take this. I have an icon. So I'll just show you a few examples of animation in XD and what to do and what not to do. So this is one. I'll just go here, maybe make it blue or something like blue. Just go a bit lighter, and I'll just drag it and make it orange. And this is just an example, it may not be implemented in real life. So it's like the disclaimer that I give for this project. So if I just give this and maybe bring it back to this, I have all these connections as usual. If you're using XD, you will have an idea. So yeah, I'll make a detailed tutorial video on XD as well. So for this we have a tab, but I will give it okay, I'll not give that one as tab. I'll give that as tab, but this one as time. Time maybe just 0.06 second. Transition will go auto animate, artboard, ease in, ease out, and 0.2 seconds. So once I play this, I tap on this, you see the seamless color changing. But in the same case, if I maybe just drag this down and maybe morph it out, demorph it out, something like this, or like this, and then I just play this. Tap, no, I have to select this one, play. It'll basically take animation smoothly still, but then when you actually, for example, I'll just show you another example where the animation might not get smooth and you might get into trouble. Not trouble, yeah, but even if you get in trouble, I'm always there. So yeah, I'll just go to blobber. Yeah, blobber, yeah, something. So I'll just reduce the complexity. I'll just make it more unique. Okay, and I'll just create a blob. Okay, it's here. So in this case, if I have made this here and I have this one, so if I just copy the same artboard and make changes here, I'll have a smooth transition. Okay, I'll just show you another one. So if I do this, so I'll have a smooth animation in this case. Okay, here and then here. So I'll be giving this in time again. Everything will be in time. So it'll be revolving around it. Auto animate, ease in, ease out, 0.2 seconds. And if I play this, so it'll be smooth. Okay. In another scenario where I actually just take one artboard, make the changes outside, and maybe just take this here and delete this and just drag this in. Okay, I'll misplace this in case. Okay, so that you can actually see the difference. Okay, I'll bring this here and make it this, and then I'll just do the prototyping. once I do the prototyping, I'll be back here and then I'll play this. So it'll not be smooth. See this first frame and second frame is like just jumping, and the third frame it has become smooth. The reason is that you actually make it in the flow, like take the same design or same element and do the changes in the next artboard. If you copy it from somewhere, it will just make a jump transition and that will not look smooth. So that's there. And what else, so this color changing thing, this, and yeah, one more thing is I thought would be interesting is that using this search icon and maybe making the search bar. So I'll show you a small animation that would look nice in your designs. So I'll make this a bit smaller. I'll make this smaller, and then I will, yeah, this small is fine. So this will be based on the component base. It will not be artboard to artboard animation, but it will be in the same artboard. So for that, I'll make one small line, increase the width maybe to 4 or 5, around the caps, and yeah, select text saying search SERCH, and then open this. So yeah, okay. So once this is ready, you will have to make everything in same color. Maybe I'll just put one color to maybe this, something grayish kind of thing. So once this is there, you will have to select everything, control K it out, and then it will become a component. So if you do any changes outside this, like if you take this and make small changes, everything will be changing. So that's there. And yeah, one more, the next thing what I'm trying to take here is, okay, we are in the default state here. Once I select this and this, I'll make this as I'll reduce the opacity of this. So once I select, I'll come out, click outside, take this, add it to hover state. So once you're in hover state, you will have to increase this to maybe a bit longer, and this to here. No, deselect this, bring it here, increase the opacity of both, increase the opacity to 100. Okay, so this design, I think this is a bit thick, so I'll make it maybe a 3. Okay, and change the color to maybe bit bluish kind of tint, bluish towards blue, dark blue. Yeah, this looks nice. So even the line will become dark blue. So once this is ready, if you go on default and if you just maybe go to prototype, you have this, all these settings again, hover, ease in, ease out, just ease in, ease out, that's it. And then you're already on hover. If you select this, you already have trigger as hover. So what this happens is, if I play this now, I have this animation, smooth animation. So it just that, like, it looks nice on your design. You can show it to your developer and maybe get it done, or maybe ask them to find the code for this, something like that. So yeah, this is it for the day. I hope you have learned something. I've given you value, and yeah, thank you for watching, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, and yeah, that's it for the day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.